Hey, so if you're trying to access Google Gemini but you can't log in, like it keeps loading, showing errors, or rejecting your account, yeah, don't worry. This is usually fixable. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Google Gemini login issues in 2026. First thing, check your internet connection. Unstable internet can stop the login process completely. Next, make sure you're using the correct Google account. So if you have multiple accounts, switch to the right one. All right, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old login data often causes sign-in errors. Now disable extensions. Some ad blockers or privacy tools can block login scripts. Next, try incognito mode. So this helps you log in without saved cookies or conflicts. All right, make sure your Google account is active. Disabled or restricted accounts won't be able to log in. And yeah, switch devices or browsers. Sometimes the issue is only on one browser or phone. So that's how you fix Google Gemini login issues. Once everything is set correctly, you should be able to sign in without any problems.